what they say about me. I feel like a captain on my own spaceship. Don't you wanna join my ecstatic army? Step inside and don't be afraid anymore. Keep this feeling away.
I'm Lieutenant Dan Taylor. Welcome to Fort Platoon. What's wrong with your lip?
I was born with big gums, sir.
Yeah, well, you better tuck that in. Gonna get that caught on a tripwire.
Some mini pumpkin for my baby's breakfast this morning. So I think they're gonna love that. Babies! Look what Mama has! Come here! Come on, look what Mama has! Look! What's that? Ooh, yummy! Oh, look, they love that. Something new. Yum. Bunny's got some seeds. Good stuff. Pig. Hey, Pig. Hey, sweetheart. You want some pumpkin? Yeah, you gonna try some pumpkin? This is my peg leg girl. But she does really well getting around on her own. But I'm gonna go ahead and lift her up to where the pumpkin's at. Alright. Yeah, that's good. She's going to town. fall decorations out. Some of them anyways. I plan on getting a bale of hay and put a couple more things out. But so far so good.
Go past your bedtime.
Oh, what do they have? Oh, you
Friday
found
night.
peanuts. Somebody found peanuts. They're gonna fight over it. And mosquitoes too. Hi, Squiggy. Hi, Squiggy. Hi, Squig. I know, your poor beak.
That's not Peg.
I said Squig.
Peg.
Peg's over there. Yeah. So I've got our fall fire. Terry is loving life.
I love you, dear.
I love you too.
This feels good, though.
This is nice. Wow, I like our new backyard. Oh, pretty sweet.
It's sweet. That first handle, so you're good.
Ooh, mosquitoes are out.
Yeah. Ain't too bad ran this far, though.
So we still have a couple of truckfuls of stuff, but then I think we're gonna be done. Hello, everybody. Everyone comes running. Hello. Yeah, so we're down to like the last bit of stuff that's in the house, and I hate that last bit of stuff. It's all the crap that comes out of the drawers and the closets, and bringing it into a new house and having to go through it all is such a pain, but it has to be done. If you have been following this channel for a while, you're going to recognize that Terry and I are in a new house. And I am at the stage of unpacking where I'm able to put all of my beautiful paintings on the wall. Paintings that my grandmother painted. She was such a gorgeous artist. I'm able to put all of my little knickknacks, my pictures from the kids growing up, pictures of my mom and dad. I think that the memorabilia and getting to place that out on display is probably one of the most fun parts about moving into my new house. Now this wall, this is how I knew this was our new house. All of these beautiful pictures were already assembled on the wall by the previous owner. Even pictures of our chickens! Our chicken crossing sign, there's our chicken Salty, there's Patton. I know at the top is Cleo. There she is up there. But this amazing display was left for us, and I absolutely love it. I don't think I could have done this on my own. I'm just not very decorative like that. But I love it. Hey, Fig! You're getting around so well. I'm so proud of you. Yeah. Hey, Fig. But she's doing really well. Hey, Squiggy! Hey, Pig. Hey, sweetheart. Yes, hi, Cole. Hi, Cole. Okay, we've got Funky, Cole, and Medina. You got in the way, Funky. The brown one is Medina. That's Funky, Cole. And this black one over here is Lenny, and this is Squiggy. And Peg, who is actually their big sister, but she served as their mama. She is from the first batch that hatched out in March. And then these guys hatched out on film at the very end of April. Okay, so the new back shed, I'm still trying to figure it out. Started putting some milk crates up for the hens to nest in. And right now I just have straw everywhere. This is where they're going to be keeping warm this winter, because I think it's going to take us a little while to get a barn kit and construct a new barn. I do want to get one of the barn kits that has, you know, nice windows, nice big open doors in the front. But for right now, this is what we're working with. So we need to get our fence constructed, and I need to do a little bit more TLC on this little shed for these guys. For now, we were also gonna be bringing over one of their other coops. We've got the baby's coop here now, which is just a smaller wood frame one. It doesn't really weigh that much. But we also have a bigger one that's good for about 5 to 6 chickens. It needs a little bit of replacement with the roof because Percy jumped on it, landed on it, and broke right through. But that's an easy fix. It's just very heavy, so we haven't brought that over yet. But check out this yard, guys. So we've got from where you can see it staked all the way here, and it goes to right here where it's staked in the back. So we have quite a lot of land now for our animals. I'm trying to figure out where we're going to be putting the fence, and I'm not taking it all the way to the back of the property. I think we're mainly going to be kind of keeping them up in this area. In the back, it is right up against marsh. When there's extremely high tides, there is some water collection in the very back, but it does not come up to like where I am right now. Actually, you can almost even see the different points in the grass. So from like here back here, it can get damper, and the further we go, the more fiddler crab holes we see, which lets you know that we definitely are right up to marsh here. But oh my gosh, I think that this is aesthetically beautiful. I mean, look. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. But anywho, we're not going to have the barn this far back. And that might not happen until springtime. Oh gosh, every time you get a new house, it's like the things that you need to do kind of goes in phases. Stuff, at least for me, doesn't seem to happen all at once. But here we are. The chickens are absolutely loving life. They are loving having more property to walk around, more bugs, all those delicious fiddler crabs. Right, Squiggy? So here's a little wood coop. So the babies, and I keep calling them babies because they are still relatively small. But to be honest, I don't think that these silkies are gonna get too much bigger. I mean, this batch really turned out kind of micro. Right, Squigs?